Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple ID even if you already have one. Whether you need a separate account for work, family, or personal use, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit Apple's official website. First, open any web browser on your device. I'm using Safari for this example. Go to iCloud.com, which is Apple's official page for managing Apple IDs. Once you're on the page, click on the Sign In button at the top. Step 2. Choose Create Apple ID. When prompted to sign in, click on Use a different Apple ID. This will take you to a new page where you'll see the option to create an Apple ID. Click on it to begin the process. Step 3. Enter your personal details. Now, you'll need to fill in your personal information, including your first name, last name, email address, and a password. Make sure to use an email address that isn't already linked to another Apple ID. You'll also need to select your country/region and provide a phone number for verification. Step 4. Verify your account. After entering your details, Apple will send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter the code when prompted. You may also need to complete a CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Once everything is verified, scroll down and click Continue. Step 5. Sign in with your new Apple ID. That's it. Your new Apple ID is now ready to use. To switch to your new account, simply sign out of your existing Apple ID on your device and log in with your new credentials. And that's how easy it is to create a second Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.